eggs in the microwave. Bet you guys wondering how that's possible. Okay, this egg, I'm about to eat it whenever I pause the video, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Last bite. Delicious. I'm going to show you how to do it. First up, you're going to need a clean bowl. Let me wash this. Not super clean, but I just ate out from it, so yeah, good enough. And obviously, an egg and some butter / margarine. Okay. You're going to take your plate, okay, and slather it with your butter / margarine. There, slathered. Then you crack the egg and put it on. And then you poke a hole in the egg if the yolk isn't already popped. And then you put it in the microwave for a good 45 seconds. Whoop-de-doo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. And if it isn't done, just put it in there for another 15 seconds, and you're good. Not bad.